The S22 Ultra is the best Android phone out right now. It stands out when it comes to its physical features like the camera and of course the software features like One UI on Android 12. So here are the 5 interesting and most unique features on the S22 Ultra that you didn't know or you haven't heard about. I'll also leave timestamps below if you want to skip to a section that pertains to you. Now, let's get this party started. Now, because the S22 Ultra is a huge phone with that 6.8-inch display, this tends to impact the battery life significantly. So here are a few tips and tricks to save your battery. The first is reducing the refresh rate of your device. The S22 Ultra has a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and it does hit the battery life as you go on. You can easily save some battery by reducing your refresh rates all the way down to 60Hz. Now, to do this, you have to head over to Settings, then Display, then Motion Smoothness. There you can switch between standard and adaptive. Now, standard brings the refresh rate down to 60Hz. You can also save battery by reducing the screen resolution. In the same display section in Settings, head over to Screen Resolution. You have the option to reduce it to Full HD or just HD generally. This saves your battery, but this will give you the most basic visuals on your $1,200 phone. And finally, if you plan on using the S22 Ultra for the next 3 to 4 years, you need to protect your battery's lifespan. Now, swiping all the way down or going to Settings, search, protect the battery and turn it on. This extends the battery life and limits the maximum charge to 85%. Next up, we have the S Pen. Now, the S Pen is the standout feature for the S22 Ultra. It literally defines what it is. Now, even though I don't use the S Pen regularly or on a daily basis, it does come in handy a couple of times. For example, when I'm taking pictures. The S Pen can act as a shutter button when you're taking pictures or videos. This can come in handy if you're recording a talking head shot for your A-rolls, or if you're taking a group photo with your friends and you do not want to be left out, it can come in handy. All you have to do is press the button on the side and voila, it works like magic. Another neat feature most people do not talk about is converting your handwriting to text. Opening the Samsung Notes app, you can write anything you want, press and hold the text and click Convert to Text. You can also choose to convert one word or all the words all together. This comes in handy if you want to turn your scribbled notes into a Word or Google document. This next feature is my favorite feature on the S22 Ultra. With the S Pen, you can instantly create a GIF or GIF straight from your phone and send it to whoever you want to. So for example, if you're watching a video on YouTube, a movie, or something funny and you want to turn it into a GIF or GIF, you bring out the S Pen, click on Smart Select, at the bottom, click on GIF and dictate if you want it to be high quality or standard quality and press record. The recording shows you the minutes and the size of your GIF and you can save it and then send it to your friends and family. Now, this is a dope feature because you can easily just create as many memes and videos or GIFs as you want, and you can send it to whoever, or you can post it on Twitter, on Instagram, or wherever you want. It's honestly my favorite feature on the S22 Ultra. Okay, the display of the S22 Ultra is great. It's second to none and probably the best in its class. But that 6.8-inch display is a burden to a lot of people, and myself included. And that is where one-handed mode comes in. With one-handed mode, you can navigate the S22 Ultra a lot easier, and it reduces the stress of stretching to all sides of the screen. Now, to activate one-handed mode, you have to get into the settings and search one-handed mode and turn it on. Simply swipe down in the center to enable this feature. You can also move it left, right, up and down if you choose to. You can also get back to the full screen mode by also swiping down in the center. So this next feature are for people that snoop through your phone when you give them to make a call, send a text or something, and they swipe all around the place and invade your privacy. Now, the idea here is to pin the app to the phone to prevent them from going anywhere else. Now, to do this, you can go into your settings and search pin windows and turn it on. Now, if somebody should ask for your phone and they want to make a call, they want to send a text or see a picture, you can pin the particular app to your phone and they won't be able to access anything else. Now, even if they found a way to leave the app, your phone automatically will lock itself. So unless they know your password, they are not getting into your phone. Notifications on Android can get very messy, especially if you get a lot of them. But Samsung has kind of curbed that with customizing your notifications. Again, head over to Settings, click on Notifications, and if you scroll all the way down, you will see Advanced Settings. There you can pick and choose if you want all the notifications to pop up or maybe the most recent 3. Personally, I chose number of notifications only. It's just cleaner and it looks better. Now, a few other features that are useful to the S22 Ultra is remapping the power button. When you get the S22 Ultra, the power button was switched over to activate Bixby, and this was a terrible decision because one, nobody uses Bixby, and two, the power button should remain what the power button is used for, and that is turning on and turning off your smartphone. To remap your power button, you have to go to settings, search power button, and remap it to the power off menu. You can also double tap to enable any app of your choice. Next is Nearby Share, or you can call it the AirDrop for Android. It's honestly one of the easiest and fastest ways to send files from Android phones to another Android phone. So for example, if I want to send a picture or a video to my Pixel 6 from the S22 Ultra, I can easily just do it through Nearby Share. It's honestly very simple, and I can't wait for all Android phones in the world to have this feature, and also I can't wait for a lot of people to even know about this feature. Finally, we have Power Share or reverse wireless charging. Now, for people that don't know what reverse wireless charging is, you can easily charge your phone on the S22 Ultra if your phone supports wireless charging. Now, this initiative is great because it comes in handy, especially for people that want to order an Uber during a late night and their battery is dead. They can easily just charge your phone with an S22 Ultra or any other phone that supports reverse wireless charging and get home safe. Now, it's not a feature I've used a lot, but this is definitely a nice to have. So these are some of the unique features that I have found when using the S22 Ultra. Some of these features can be implemented right now, and they can be implemented down the line when the need arises. But what do you guys think? Do you have any other hidden features on the S22 Ultra or the S22 lineup? Comment below and let me know. And guys, if you like this video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I drop more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. My name is KJOS, and I will catch you guys in the next one where I talk all things tech.